How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be talking about hickeys. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So what we're going to talk about today is hickeys. Yes, I know this isn't fitness related, but this is a popular topic on my channel. So that's why we're continuing to go about these questions on hickeys. So again, what I do with this video is I just pick a question from a subscriber and we talk about it. So the question I have today is from a subscriber, and basically he wants to know if you can get rid of a hickey with a spoon. Now here's the thing. That is a great question. Now, what I always recommend in my videos actually is using a spoon or using a coin. Preferably a coin, but a spoon will work just as good. I just favor the coin. I just favor it. That's it. Spoon works just as good. No complaints here. So basically, yes, a spoon will work. Here's the thing, you guys. It doesn't matter what you use as long as you're creating friction and you're creating blood flow through the hickey. And I say this in all my videos whenever we talk about this subject. When people watch my videos, they want to know the quickest way. Not just my videos, when they watch any videos, whenever somebody goes on YouTube, they want to know the fastest way to get rid of something or to get something. You want to get six-pack abs, they want to know the fastest way to get rid of it. You want to get rid of fat, they want to know the fastest way to get rid of fat. Hickeys, they want to know the fastest way to get rid of them. So again, there's lots of different things that you can do for hickeys, lots of different things. You can hide the hickey, you can mask the hickey, you could apply creams to the hickey, but ultimately your goal is to get rid of that hickey as soon as frickin' possible. And in my opinion, the spoon and the coin, nobody has found a better solution than me in quicker time for getting rid of a hickey. Coin is the fastest, or a spoon, or anything. So what you do is you rub the area wherever it is. Generally like 90% of hickeys are on your neck. Rub the area for 2 minutes. That's it, 2 minutes. 90% of people, their hickeys will be gone in 2 minutes. If you have a ton of hickeys or very stubborn hickey, it could take 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes of rubbing. People always ask me how much pressure to put on your neck. Don't put no pressure on your neck, and don't put a ton of pressure where you're hurting it. Put a moderate amount of pressure and just rub it. As simple as that. What people always complain about is redness on their neck afterwards. That's common and that should happen. I would actually be a little bit worried if your neck wasn't red after rubbing it for 2 minutes or 5 minutes. Redness will happen. The thing is, redness will go away in 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes, the redness will be completely gone with your hickey. Both will disappear. That's how it works. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.